Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Site Reliability 101 Lightning Talk. My name is Adrian Ubalde, and I'm a Site Reliability Engineer for the property website Domain. So let's dive right into it. There's this one thing about site reliability I'd like for you to take away from this talk. It's that by using the idea of redundancy, you'll be able to build applications that are more reliable and more resilient to shit going wrong in production. But what do I mean exactly by redundancy? Well, take these presentation slides as an example. Let's say as I was setting them up before the talk, well, the slides, I used an online service called Prezi. Let's say that website went down right before the talk. So most people would freak out. How am I meant to give the presentation if I don't have any slides to show? Well, just in case that happened, I prepared a redundant copy of these slides, one that I could open up using the desktop app of the slides. So now all I have to do is open up that offline copy and off I go. So taking that idea a step further, let's say I go to open up that offline copy and I get an error message saying, sorry, couldn't open up your presentation. Well, now I'm really screwed, right? Not only can I not get to my slides on the Prezi website, but the offline copy I prepared just in case won't even open. Well, just in case both those things happened, I prepared yet another redundant copy of it in PDF format. So now all I have to do is open up a PDF file. It might not have all the same animations and look as nice as the original versions, but hey, I've got some slides to use. So you might be wondering how this applies to a real website. So let's take the domain homepage as an example. So we cache the domain homepage using our CDN so that in the event our backend application goes down, or let's stick with that, backend application goes down, our end user could still at least see a cached copy of our homepage. And as another layer of redundancy, we also cache the homepage in the end user's web browser so that in the event we misconfigure our CDN or the user's having internet connectivity issues, as long as they've visited the homepage before, they should still be able to load it up. So going back to my original point, if there's just one thing about site reliability I'd like for you to take away from this talk, it's that by using redundancy, you'll be able to build applications that are more reliable, more resilient to things going wrong in production. And in the interest of keeping this a lightning talk, I'm going to wrap it up here. But if you'd like to hear more, I'll be giving a more in-depth talk about how we do it in Domain right after this in room 4. So hope to see you there, and thanks for listening.